I love a good affordable smartwatch, and that's why I gave the Amazfit Bip U high praises the last time I reviewed it. Well, finally that watch has a direct competitor in the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite, which costs 249 ringgit, exactly the same as the Amazfit Bip U. So with the same price tag, I have to wonder if the Mi Watch Lite is actually more worth it than the Bip U. Well, let's find out. The Mi Watch Lite actually looks pretty nice. Square case with a rubber waterproof strap that fits on easily enough, and a single button on the side. The body is a little thicker at 11.9mm and weighs about 35 grams, so it's fairly light, at least. I've got the all black model, but you can swap out the straps for its 4 other colors. Typical of a budget smartwatch is a TFT display. This one has a 1.4-inch screen pushing a 320x320 resolution. Colors on here are pretty good and brightness is okay, but you might struggle a little under direct sunlight. Moving on, what really sells a smartwatch are its features. The Mi Watch Lite comes with most of what you need, like heart tracking, sleep monitoring, built-in breathing exercise modes, GPS plus GLONASS for location tracking, and of course, your list of workout modes. Unfortunately, this watch doesn't have a blood oxygen level measuring feature, which is something that the Amazfit Bip U does. When it comes to fitness tracking, you get your usual step counters, calorie burned trackers, and the aforementioned exercise modes, which are not a lot but enough for the usual activities like running, cycling, swimming, and free exercises. Starting and tracking a workout is easy enough. Just hit the button at the side to get your workout menu and choose from a compact but sufficient list of modes to start. You can see your timer, calories burned, heart rate, and goal. Simple enough there. There's really not much else to say about the fitness tracking other than, well, it works. Now moving on to the weakest link of the watch, which is its software. Again though, it is pretty straightforward. It's well designed, it looks nice, it functions well for the most part, and you also get call and app notifications as well, so which is pretty nice. There are little quirks that sort of take away from the experience of the Mi Watch Lite, and the first one that I want to mention is that there is no scrolling animation. I know it sounds trivial, but it does matter a lot, to me at least. So when you're scrolling through your menus or your different tiles on your home screen, there isn't a smooth transition between each page or each item you're looking at. It sort of just switches to it. The lack of a smooth transition makes the watch feel a little sluggish and reminiscent of a smartwatch from a really long time ago. The next quirk that I want to mention is how notifications and the home button works on this watch, or doesn't in this case. So every time you get a stack of notifications on your watch, it stays there. So usually on a regular smartwatch, you want to go back to your home screen, you hit the home button, right? Not on this watch. Here I have to swipe away all the notifications one by one until I get to the home screen. Now this is obviously very annoying. Moving on, the companion app that you get here is Xiaomi Wear. And it's a decent app that lets you access more data in a neat page of stat cards, almost. And you can also change your watch face here as well as on your watch. You can also update your device software. And I like Xiaomi Wear for its really straightforwardness, and I've never really once experienced issues of my watch disconnecting with the app. When it comes to the battery life, Xiaomi claims that you get up to 9 days with this watch, and for the most part it's true. I get about 8 days and a half with regular amounts of usage, and you get to charge it using a magnetic charger, which can power up your watch fully in about 2 hours, which is not too bad. So I've got no complaints in this area because I absolutely love smartwatches that last over a week. So as a conclusion, for 249 ringgit, the Mi Watch Lite falls just a bit short in the software department compared to the Amazfit Bip U. The latter also has an SpO2 monitoring feature, which this watch doesn't. But I'll end by saying this, the Mi Watch Lite is still a good affordable smartwatch if you want something that looks more robust, has impressive battery life. It does everything else fairly well except for the software, of course, and it has plenty of watch strap colors to choose from the get-go. Well, it's really up to you, I guess. So I guess that's it from me today. Let us know which watch would you go for, the Mi Watch Lite or the Amazfit Bip U for exactly the same price. Remember to like our video, subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.